Today we have that 2012 Kia Optima. Customer came and had ticking noise. Some people told him he has a bad engine. Here is some other mechanic changed already to the fuel pump. That's the junkyard one, and that one is broken. So he replaced it twice. The car keeps shutting off on him and it wasn't working properly. So after we diagnosed it, I checked it, and then I did the further diagnose on it, and then what I saw is the roller tape that was making noise, and you can hear it, and it wasn't supposed to have some play like this on it. So I went ahead and I bought a new one from the Kia dealership. That's the number on it. You can open it. And that's the brand new one. And that's how it should be. No noise, no play. So if you look here, the way it goes, you can see that it goes straight to it. Like that. And we bought a new fuel pressure pump, and then we're gonna be installing the new fuel pressure pump, and we'll have the customer go on his way. Like and follow for more.